Hello dear students, my name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KEPY 2018 essay stream, that is class 11. In this video I have taken question from part 2, question number 64. Let's see what question says. It says let ABCD be a square, okay, an arc of a circle with A as center and AB as radius is drawn inside the square joining points B and D, right? Points further points P on AB, S on AD, Q and R on BD, arc BD are taken such that PQRS is a square. Okay, we'll draw the picture accordingly. Further, suppose PQ and RS are parallel to AC. Okay, then the ratio of areas of PQRS and ABCD is, the options given is 1 by 8, 1 by 5, 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. Let's see how can we solve this question in an easier manner. See, very easily. See, we'll first have to draw the picture now. ABCD is a square. Consider the square ABCD as, I'm drawing a square here. Right, somewhere like this: A, B, C, D. Now an arc of circle with A as center and AB as radius, right, inside the square, joining the points B and D. So square is, they're saying about A as center, AB as radius, somewhat like this. Chalega? Okay, so now point P on AB and S on AD, Q and R on, we have to draw a square somewhat like this. Okay, so this is a square, I'm assuming, like this. Okay, now PQRS is a square, and one more thing is given. However, it is very clear. However, it is given, I will use it. Suppose that PQ and RS are parallel to AC. So I'm drawing AC. AC is the diagonal of this square ABCD, one of the diagonals. PQRS are parallel to AC. So PQ and RS, PQ is parallel to AC, RS is parallel to AC. Definitely it means, what angle is this? In square, diagonal make what angle with the side? 45 degree, because this is a square, so 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree, right? And as PQ is parallel to AC, this is also 45. And yeah, this angle is 90 because PQRS is a square. This angle is 90, and so this is also 90, right? So obviously this angle is, this is 45, this is 90, this will also be 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. Clear? Obviously from here also 45 plus 90 is 135, 180 minus. So finally these two angles must be equal. Now what we have to find, coming to that, area of PQRS upon area of ABCD. So for that, let side length of bigger square ABCD is A, and that of PQRS is, suppose, X, right? So we need to find A square upon X square, right? Okay, X square upon A square. Okay, so how can we correlate? Q is on the arc BD, okay, arc BD. Means, and it means distance of Q from A must be, the center was A now. So any point on the arc from the center will be at distance equal to radius, and radius was, this is taken as A now. So if I join A with Q, what is AQ? AQ is equal to small a, isn't it? And just think about, this is 90 now, okay, because RQ is perpendicular to AC, clearly now, this is 90. So, and yeah, what is the length, side length taken of the square PQRS? It is x. So this is x by 2, this part is x by 2, this is also x by 2, and these angles are 45 45, means these two angles are equal, means in triangle, suppose I am taking this point as M, AMP, see, AM is equal to MP, and that is equal to x by 2. M is the midpoint of SP. SP is x. SP is one of the side length of the square PQRS. Now, from right angle triangle, and let this be N, midpoint of RQ. So this is a suitable triangle from where we will get the relation between x and A. Right triangle AQP, because it involves Q was very important to consider, because its distance from A is equal to radius of that circular arc, and that is A. So from here we will get, see, NQ is also x by 2 now, NQ. So AN square plus NQ square is equal to AQ square. This means AN is x by 2 plus x, right? AM plus MN. NQ is x by 2, I am taking NQ only, is equal to AQ square. So from here we will get x plus x by 2 whole square plus NQ is x by 2 whole square is equal to AQ is A square. AQ is A. So from here we are getting 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 10 by 4 x square, right? So 10 by 4 x square is equal to A square. So what we need to find, required ratio of the areas is actually, area of PQRS is A, x square upon A square, and that is 4 by 10, that is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 must be the answer to this question, final answer to this question. We could find it very easily by using the simple geometry, considering the figure and the various aspect of the question given. So we just applied the basic geometry, Pythagoras theorem, in the triangle AQN mainly. From here we got this easily. I hope you understood this solution. This is explained in very easy manner, just using a simple geometry we could find it. So answer to this question must be 2 by 5 is given in option number D. I hope you understood it. Thank you for listening and watching it. Stay tuned for the next question. Thank you.